You know something? Ladies, sir, you need to cut out the fuck, you know. You see, you's a woman where you's a very wrong and strong kind of woman, sir. And right now, you can call this a Queen Ifrica lose her blood clotted and I call up everybody name. But you go looking at the history of the name them when me a call and the contribution where them name them make to the destruction where happening in Jamaica right now. I mean, that's what I said to you, sir. When time Jacob pre-dead, you run go church out of fear. Seeing? And never because you're tired of a bad mind or nothing. The thing they just look spooky and you run God church. Alright, fine, you run God church and you say you're going to give yourself to God and we there watch you. We see say you're in this wrestling with God because you're really never ready for Lego dancehall and secular music yet. But you know, go in a relationship with the creator to say, alright, it is what it is. I'm really have like a godliness in me and when all is said and done, none of this no look how it's supposed to look. So I'm going to really work hard like Chevelle Franklin and Stitchy and Papa San them for really show us a Christian side of myself. Now, you make Joe Bogdanovich them blood clot and Scatterburrell them a pull you out now to come back in a secular world. And you're dead now. You're not even humbling your transition because we know say the God world and the Jesus world are one big old sham bumper clot world anyway. So alright, you come back to secular. Do it in a way where we can actually welcome you now in a decent and proper way, sir. Why you come and talk about a fear titty them and a fear bat it? Love the girl now. She do her body and she do what she do to herself and she really a try to move on from it. So nobody come join back the line now with no titty and breast argument and them something there. Come call Spice, make it up with Spice and no set back dancehall on the female side and make the man them see say dancehall can set on the female side and have real love and real unity. You come in and rush in like a competition, you come for come bulldozer back in place where the left and bulldoze. You understand what I say, sir? You need to do better now, man, and lead by example. Because I confuse you come across as. You know, I come across as a woman where I try find her footing and I try make some money and I try live how you want to live for please and serve God. You talk about you go serve God and spread the word of God, but you talk about your titty them when you fake and your titty them. Find a different way if you say it. Because that not palatable what you do. I mean, I know who a pet you and not tell you the bumbuckler truth. Because one thing with Queen Ifrica, I love when people tell me the truth. See, tell me the truth about me. Me a wait for somebody to come tell me the real truth about me. You understand? So me just want to say, ladies, stop the fuckery and know if you love God, show us you love God. And stop going, like I say, you're confused about money making. You understand? And wanting to belong. Because you don't need to belong, sir. You are, ladies, sir, the greatest. Mariana, ladies, sir, any one of them, you're great. Stop the fuckery. You say, somebody need to tell you, stop it. You're not becoming